today we are trying the ball pen art. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of my A to Z challenge series. And in this episode, I'll challenge myself to create a full complete art, a portrait using ball pen. And I'm scared, but I'm excited. So let's see how it goes.
Let's start from the beginning.
These could be lying around in your house anywhere. We never think of creating art with ball pen, but today I'll try and show you how it's done.
Since I'm using these pins for the first time, I have to take out I don't know what these are from the tip. I'm starting off with the basics, just warming up my hand with some hatching and cross hatching because these are very important for adding textures. Trying out some values with different colored pin. But honestly, these pin is kind of testing my patience. It keeps stopping in the middle like, is it me or is it the pen? I don't know. I tried shading some 3D shapes and it was really fun, which gave me motivation. Honestly, this blue pen was much better than the previous one. You might be waiting for the portrait, but yes, we have to first do the boring thing before we get to the fun. So I tried simple building structure with some trees around. And then I decided to draw a jug. Honestly, this was frustrating. Just when I thought I was finally getting a hang of it, the pen decided to betray me again. Why is it skipping some strokes? At this point, I wasn't sure if I was doing something wrong or if the pen was just done with me. But I have to keep going. So now, I'll start with the portraits after I finish this jog. Next page of the sketchbook, and I hope this turns out to be good. The first one, I'm making a girl, but I'm just using one color because I'm scared. When I tried values with the color orange, it was skipping some strokes, so I'm a little scared, but then I thought orange would be the best for, I don't know, this doesn't look so good, but we'll move on to the second one. Another girl with the same pin. And guess what? I still didn't shade the face properly. I was being way too careful. By the third one, I was like, okay, let's go all in. This time, I picked up a red pen and drew a boy. I actually shaded the face this time, and I loved how the hair turned out. It felt so good to finally take that step. And now maybe I can do another portrait with different colors. These portraits are not so good, but on the positive side, it was just a few tries. And I was using ball pen for the first time. Within an hour of using ball pen, I was already seeing the improvement. If I keep trying, and if you wish to, you can follow along with my journey and we can improve together. With the fourth portrait and the last one in this page, I really wanted to push myself to see what I could do if I stopped holding back completely. So this time, I went in with colors. I started off with orange for the base layer.
I did not expect this to be so challenging. This requires patience and
It was actually going okay. I liked the skin tone. Then I thought, why not add some depth? So I picked up a green pen and started shading the dark areas, like under the chin, around the eyes and the neck. At first it felt exciting, like I was finally getting the hang of layering with ball pen. It might not look good right now, but trust the process. When I layer with green above the orange, it's a color theory and it will look dark. But then I kept going. I started adding more green, then circling back with orange, trying to blend, trying to fix things that probably didn't need fixing. The eyes area do look good when I keep darkening them. It turned into an endless loop, layer after layer, and before I knew it, I had completely overworked it. I even added the red, not the white, but I thought it would turn out good, but maybe I overworked this. The colors started to clash, the details got muddy, and what I thought would look experimental just ended up looking a little chaotic. Now I don't know what I will do. Maybe one more layer will fix it. But honestly, that just makes it worse. And you know, that moment when you realize you should have stopped 5 steps ago. At this point, I'm already mentally drained and I've learned the hard way that I should know where to stop. So it's enough for today.
can you guess what art challenge is coming up next with the letter C? If you have any ideas, do let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.